Welcome back, my friends, to another work from home job lead, or welcome. If you are new here, my name is Lindsay and I am always searching the internet trying to find the best work from home job leads there are and bringing them straight to you through daily videos. It's always welcome any specific skills or education that you have or anything you are looking for. If you want to leave that in the comments, I will always keep that in mind when searching for job leads because I always want to be bringing leads to you that are helpful. I do my best to weed out all the scams and double check things before I share anything, but as always, make sure that you are doing your own research before giving your personal information to any of these companies and never ever pay for a job lead or a job. With that being said, let's keep today's video very short, sweet, and to the point. HealthCare is hiring a data entry operator. So this is non-phone data entry. This is a full-time position, and unfortunately for my international viewers, this is for my United States viewers only. So a little bit about this position. You will be responsible for data entry of material from source documents to a computer-connected terminal. You may operate an alphabetical numerical key punch machine, so you'll be verifying data and performing clerical tasks in the data processing functioning, which means examining the data, revising the data, approving the data, inputting the data, all the things with the data. Now, this position does not require very much experience at all. It requires very little, just 1 year's work experience. And they don't specify that that has to be in a certain field, so that's just that you've had 1 year of work experience in anything. This does require a high school diploma or GED, but does not require any college degree. They are also looking for someone who has knowledge of data entry process, who's organized, detail-oriented, ability to multitask, and can work well with computers. And this is a remote work from home position. Now, while this position did not list the salary specific in the job description, I did find HealthCare's Glassdoor page, and they have had an previous employee that worked as a data entry operator list their salary as $31,500 all the way up to $34,431. If you can get the $34,000 mark, that would be $17 an hour. So just know that this is just an estimate based on what past employees with the same job title working for the same company has reported that they have been paid. A lot of work from home positions that I do come across, especially with bigger companies, don't list the pay or salary in the job description. If you would like me to start doing some research and trying to find an estimate for you, please leave in the comments down below if you liked that. If you did, I will continue to try to do that. I just wanted to do something a little bit different with this video. But if you've made it to the end, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I will be back very shortly with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.